Are you still dependent on spreadsheets and paper trail to track your maintenance activities and task assignments? It's about time you discovered the power of a well-structured software to simplify your work. Faciliteasy is designed to help you keep all your maintenance activities well organized in one place through its desktop and mobile applications. Faciliteasy's intuitive software enables your technicians to be more productive with real-time information and access to historic service records. When you notice issues such as oil leak or a broken gauge on an air compressor, just pull out your phone, take a photo and record the issue through the app. The technician gets an automatic notification to fix the issue. It's that simple. You can have real-time conversations with your team using inbuilt chat for speedy decision-making. Getting started with Faciliteasy is simple. All your data is automatically saved on the cloud, so accessing is easy. Start saving time and money by modernizing your maintenance management system. It can be accessed through any device, iOS, Android, or desktop computer. Faciliteasy makes maintenance management easy and efficient. Check out more at www.faciliteasy.com.